Welcome. I'm going to show you how to enhance the look of your folders as they would appear within Finder on your Mac. Here we have some examples of where we're going with this. As you know, your folders would normally look this blue color. They would all look the same. But what if you could actually enhance the folders so that you instantly knew what was in there without reading any text? For example, this could be your electricity bill, or your water, or even your bank. You can colour the folders to suit your particular needs, and I'll show you how simple it is to enhance your folders on your Mac. Before I start to show you how to create these enhanced folders, I've created a folder here with some images that I'm going to use. You may like to do that whilst trialing this method. The other thing is you're going to have to get information about files and images and folders. So first method is to right mouse on the selected folder or image or file and click Get Info. The other method is to select the file or folder or image, Command I, display the information panel. I'm now going to take one of the standard blue folders and add some color, an image and some text. Select the folder, Get Info, top left hand corner of the info pane, select the icon and make a copy. Open Preview, select File, New from Clipboard, and here you have all the different sizes of the icon you've just copied. Now we're going to add some colour to this standard looking folder. Adjust colour pane. Use the sliders at the bottom to adjust the colour to suit your particular needs. So that's the colour done. Now we're going to add an image. Open an image. Select the image and copy it. Paste onto your new enhanced folder. Now we're going to add the text. We now have an enhanced folder with an image, color on the folder and some text. What we need to do now is select the new enhanced folder, and we need to copy that. Then go to one of your standard folders that you're going to change. Get the info of that folder, click on the icon, paste your new folder in, and there we have your new enhanced folder, and hopefully that will help you organize your filing system a little bit better. Thank you very much.